President.
Karibu, Your Excellency.
How are you?
Karibu.
Asante sana.
Karibu.
You're keeping well? Very well. Thank you. We met yesterday. President. How are you, Madam Pika? Very good. From Cameroon. Hello, how are you? Very good.
You know the commissioner?
Yes, I know. Yeah, thank you very much.
Climate justice and rights to give a summary of the key deliberations for yesterday.
Excellency, Sacco Commissioner for honorable members from all over, all protocols observed, Your Excellency, such as Pan-African Parliamentarians Network on Climate Change, associated with the African Alliance for Climate Action. As also I know you have met peers when the summit started, where delegates heard from experts about the latest science, cost of living crisis and the deepening debt crisis, threatening to reverse action and NDC's implementation responsive to African development as countless decisions, declarations and commitments that and we are very eager, Excellency. So great, for more than a decade, Excellency, the demise is now in 2011. Africa has lacked a titular. We are confident that the watershed moment provided by the ongoing global stocktake process.
Experts within our institutions and the think tanks under the auspices of the climate change, and all delegates from this summit are well and have committed to be champions of our clarion call in the assemblies for adaptation and the resilience building for communities at the front line of climate crisis. And we are very